Hello, welcome back to Fun Cooking with Knox, and I am your host, Knox Rizari. And I am so glad that you stopped by today, and I'm gonna show you how to make Tortang Talong. Yeah, all right, the first thing that we need to do is to turn our pot on, and then we are going to get to, well, let's see here how many, 2 quarts of water, and pour it in. So what we're going to do, we're going to have our eggplant. We're going to give them a bath. All right, a half bath. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put this one in. So we're just going to put this 3 here and let it boil. And then we're going to put our cover. So I would say 15 minutes, and then we're going to turn it around, and after that another 15 minutes, then it should be done. All right, this time we're going to take our eggplant out, and just be careful, okay, because this is a very hot. And then after this, we're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes, and then I am gonna show you how to peel this one. We're gonna take the peeling out, and then I'm gonna show you how to fry this one. Alright, 5 minutes later, it looks like our eggplant is already cooled off, so we can go ahead and peel the skin. So what I do, I use a fork, okay, and then I'll go to from the top, and then I scoot it like that. Can you see it? Okay, and then I'll go around it like that. Oh, all right. Yeah, let's go. Let's go again. Let's repeat the process. All right. Say slowly. Oh, it's not working. All right, so just do it like, slowly. You just want the skin out, okay? So make sure that you leave the meat in. So we have our eggplant peeled. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get our eggs. So we need about 4 eggs, beaten 4 eggs with salt and pepper. This time we are going to beat our 4 eggs. Okay, and then we're gonna add our salt. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also we're gonna do our pepper. About 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then we are going to just beat our eggs. All right, the next step we're gonna do, we're gonna give this eggplant bath, egg wash. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna smush this one. We're gonna smush it like so. Okay. And after this, we're gonna put egg. So we're gonna put the egg in there. If the egg will just wanna cooperate, it would be so cool. So we're gonna put egg as much as you can. So that should have enough. So what we're gonna do on this is ready for frying. So I'm gonna show you how to fry this eggplant. Put some oil, make sure that it's not a lot, but you know, it can cook your eggplants. We're ready to fry our eggplant. Oh. Now put the egg wash. All right, so we're gonna flip it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, that looks wonderful. It looks delicious. All right, and this is our first product. Oh, it looks so good. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna do the same process on the second one. Let's just get this one out here. All right. All right. And we're just gonna start the egg. The more eggs you have, the better it tastes. Alright. So we're just going to repeat this process until it's done. And then I'm going to show you all the finished product. Alright, this is our finished product. And with a cup of rice, this is the perfect dinner for tonight. Alright, this is our finished product. And I am going to taste it. I am so excited. I bet this is really, really good. Oh my word, I'm so excited. All right, and then a little rice. We're gonna get a little rice. Mmm. Mmm. It is so delicious. My goodness, this is really, really good. And I'm so excited to finish all this. And guys, I am so glad that you stopped by today to watch this video. And I hope you will try this one in your own. And as you see it, it's really, really easy. And I think you can do it. And guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so and share this video and like. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I love you all. All right, mabuhay. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you. Show you how to make Tortang Talong. Yeah, right.